Hi everyone and welcome back. So we are getting more information regarding upcoming Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, and according to the latest information, Samsung will introduce their first 3nm chipset on Galaxy Watch 7. Before sharing more details, I have a giveaway of these two amazing watch faces from Matteo Dini, so don't forget to check them out. Name of this new 3nm chipset will be W1000, and this will be Samsung's first 3nm chipset. Right now, this is the most advanced semiconductor technology available, and TSMC is the only one making it for Samsung. This new W1000 processor will bring 20 to 30% faster performance and better battery life. Right now, Galaxy Watch 6 sometimes lags a lot, and Samsung is trying to fix this with their new Galaxy Watch 7. Samsung's next Unpacked event will take place around 10th of July. New processor isn't the only thing Samsung is bringing with Galaxy Watch 7. We will see 32GB of base storage with some new AI features being added to One UI software on Galaxy Watch 7. Also, Samsung is rumored to announce the long-awaited blood glucose monitoring feature to Galaxy Watch 7. This will be non-invasive technology, but let's see how Samsung implements it with their next Galaxy Watch. What are your thoughts? And are you going to upgrade or not? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, now moving on to watch faces. These are two designs available from MD Watch Faces. The first one is MD336. A modern and elegant design with plenty of background information highlighted right here. Plus you can change a ton of settings with this face. Like first you can change color of time. Then you can change color of remaining items like date, steps bar color, like this. And color for rest of the information can also be changed. So check out this amazing design from MD and let me know in the comment section if you want MD336 or MD337. Next one is also from MD and it reminds me of the good old Tizen days. Time is highlighted here in big and bold font with background information that is displayed in a nice and sporty way right here. Plus you can add more shortcuts by tapping here. About customization, you can change the theme first. I like the red one. Then you can change color of time. After that, date and seconds. Also, battery color for battery bar can also be changed. So give this face a try, and for giveaway, just comment down your favorite face and drop a thumbs up, as I'll be picking up lucky random winners after a few days. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.